So today we'll discuss about skills and experience that mainly we can set up in the tenant. Okay, like there are so many skills that we have. If in case we want to maintain that in the tenant, how we can do it. So for that we have a task as maintain skills. So you can add the skills. Okay, you can see here. There are other skills which so they have just added randomly, like any skill that we want to add. Okay, so and this can be used by individual employees. Okay, whenever they want to update any skills for themselves. Okay, for their specifically. So like that, what will happen is, for example, I want to get the list of the employee who has a specific skills. Okay, we can just pull out a report and we can check like. So from here you can add the skills. So if in case that is not an inbuilt report, we can create a report, custom report. So from here mainly you can add any skills. Like for an example, communication skills. Or for an example, German language. Okay, you can select the category. You can create a skill category if you want. Like right now we can see what are the skill category that we have, like at what level we want, like maybe basic or advanced. For an example, advanced level. Okay, whether we want to hide from this candidate, so usually we do not hide it, we let it be in that. Okay,
yeah,
duplicate of, so like if there is any skill which is pretty much same with this one, we can use it. If in case if you want to create any category, okay, skills category, separate one, you can create it from here. Just its name that you have to give. Okay, and this is how mainly you can create different skills. Okay. See, maintain skills profile category. Maintain skills and experience setup. Okay, this is related to the experience one. This is not that used for us from this one perspective. Okay. If you see the about to one maintain skill category or maintain skill item category, these two are the reports. But if you talk about the other one, like maintain skill item category groups, like we saw maintain skill, like we saw maintain skill category, okay, item category. So this is how you can create this one. Like if you want to set up a level in the skills, okay, you can do by using this task that is available. Okay, you can define like you can see here not applicable, beginner. If there is any skill that you want to set up, you can do it from here. Okay, but this is not of use from the perspective like whatever we are configuring right now. Okay, like for an example, actually, if you see, there are so many things that is there. Okay, in talent, especially performance management.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we don't have to create all the things. Okay, we have to go to the one that is mandatory and that is being used, because see, there will be so many functionalities, but we don't use all those functionalities. Okay, we use the basic setup that is needed, and we can make changes accordingly based on the client's preference. Okay, so for an example, if you want to add any skills or experience to any worker profile. Okay, so there is one task named as configure profile. Yeah. So see, if you talk about this one, there is a security, okay, for all these tasks. Okay,
Okay.
that is, if you have access, then only you'll be able to see. So like the one that you see when you do the performance, okay, like there are so many groups that they have created. Okay, so this is how from way here you can see, or if you want to create any additional one. Okay, so that is how you can see each and everything from here. Okay, if you want to configure any profile, okay, with the existing one, like for an example, apply athletic. So see, if there are so many profiles that is there, if you want this to get display in the worker profile, so this is how you can set things up. If you do not want to display this, you can just remove this. So like that, there are so many profiles that is there. Okay, so it depends, like there will be so many unwanted one which you do not want to be used. Okay, in that scenario you can just get it removed. See, here we discussed about skills, like how we can create skills. Okay, so if in case they have skills, like for an example, yeah, configure, let me show you one. If there is any specific, so see, this is mainly if you want to add any skills, okay, or any experience to worker profile, when this will come into picture in performance. If in case in the performance we want to use any specific skills or any specific experience that any worker has, then this will come into picture. Okay, or else this will not be of any use.